Do 100 burpees every day, life-changing results. What if I told you that a single exercise, done every day, could completely transform your body, boost your endurance, and reshape your mindset? No fancy gym, no expensive equipment, just you, your determination, and 100 burpees. Sounds crazy, right? But stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why so many people swear by this brutal yet rewarding challenge. Most people struggle to stay consistent with their fitness goals. They jump from one routine to another, expecting quick results but giving up before they see any real changes. But what if I told you that in just a few weeks, this one exercise could make you stronger, fitter, and even more disciplined than ever before? This isn't just a fitness challenge. It's a test of your mental and physical limits. The question is, are you ready to push yourself further than you ever have before? Let's dive into the incredible life-changing results of doing 100 burpees every single day. Why burpees are the ultimate exercise. Before we get into the transformations, let's talk about why burpees are such a game changer. Most workouts target only a few muscle groups at a time, but burpees are different. This single move works your arms, chest, shoulders, core, glutes, and legs, all in one explosive motion. And the best part? It's a full-body cardio and strength workout that you can do anywhere. Think about it. In just a few minutes of doing burpees, your heart rate skyrockets, your muscles burn, and your lungs fight for more oxygen. This isn't just another exercise, it's a brutal yet effective test of endurance, coordination, and strength. But here's what makes burpees so powerful. They don't just build your body. They train your mind. Most people quit when things get tough, but when you force yourself to push through 100 burpees daily, you develop an unshakable mental toughness that carries over into every part of your life. Now, let's break down what happens to your body when you commit to this challenge. Week 1. The shock to your system. The first week of doing 100 burpees every day will be brutal. There's no sugarcoating it. Your body will scream at you, your muscles will ache, and every representative will feel like an uphill battle. You might find yourself gasping for air after just 20 burpees. Your arms will shake, your legs will feel like lead, and you'll question whether you can even finish. But here's the truth. This is where most people give up. The ones who push through, though, they come out stronger, faster, and more resilient. Your cardiovascular endurance will begin to improve quickly. At first, you might need to take long breaks between sets, but within a few days, you'll notice your recovery time getting shorter. Your heart and lungs are adapting. Your body is learning to be more efficient. Your muscles will feel sore in places you didn't even know existed. Your core, shoulders, and thighs will burn, but this is the pain of progress. It's your body rebuilding itself, stronger than before. And mentally? You're already tougher than you were before you started. Because every time you drop down for another burpee, you're proving to yourself that you can endure discomfort and keep pushing forward. Week 2. The breakthrough. By the second week, something incredible starts to happen. The same exercise that left you gasping for air just days ago now feels slightly more manageable. Your body is adapting. Your strength is increasing. Your heart and lungs are getting stronger. You'll notice a change in your posture. Your core feels tighter, your shoulders more defined, and your legs more explosive. And your endurance? It's on another level. You might not even realize it, but everyday activities, walking upstairs, running, lifting, will start to feel easier. And here's where the real mental transformation begins. You no longer dread the workout. Instead, you embrace it. You start to enjoy the feeling of pushing yourself, of testing your limits. The discomfort that once made you want to quit now fuels your determination. By now, you're not just doing burpees. You're building discipline, resilience, and confidence. And guess what? You're only getting started. Week 3. Fat loss and muscle definition. If you've ever struggled with burning fat or getting lean, This is where burpees start working their magic. By week 3, your body is in full transformation mode. Burpees are one of the most effective fat-burning exercises out there. They torch calories like nothing else. Just one session of 100 burpees can burn anywhere from 400 to 600 calories, depending on your weight and intensity. And since burpees engage multiple muscle groups at once, they trigger a powerful afterburn effect, meaning your body keeps burning calories long after your workout is done. Your core will start looking more defined. Your arms and shoulders will have more muscle tone. Your legs, which have been working overtime, will start feeling firmer and stronger. And the best part? Your metabolism will be running at full speed. But the real magic is what's happening inside. Your heart is now working more efficiently. Your lungs have expanded their capacity. Your endurance is at a level you never thought possible. And mentally? You're no longer the same person who struggled through the first few days. You're stronger, more disciplined, and hungry for more progress. Week 4. Unstoppable energy and confidence. By the 4th week, something incredible happens. You wake up feeling more energized. Your body is no longer struggling to keep up, it's thriving. 100 burpees a day is no longer a challenge, it's a habit. Something you do without hesitation. Your confidence is through the roof because you've proven to yourself that you can conquer discomfort, push past limits, and transform your body through sheer determination. People around you start noticing. Your friends ask what you've been doing because you look leaner, more muscular, and full of energy. You stand taller, move with purpose, and carry a new level of self-discipline that spills over into every aspect of your life. And here's the most important part. You no longer see hard things as impossible. You now understand that progress isn't about finding the perfect workout or waiting for motivation. It's about showing up, pushing yourself, and doing the work, every single day. The big question: should you try it? So now that you've seen what 100 burpees a day can do, the question is, are you ready to take on the challenge? Are you willing to push through the discomfort, the sweat, and the struggle to see what your body is truly capable of? Because here's the truth, nothing worth having comes easy. But if you commit, if you push yourself every day, you will come out of this challenge stronger, leaner, and mentally tougher than ever before. The first step? Just start. Drop down, do your first burpee, and keep going. One representative at a time. One day at a time. And in 30 days, when you look in the mirror and see the results staring back at you, you'll know it was all worth it. So what are you waiting for? Start today. Your transformation begins now. Like, share and subscribe for more life-changing fitness challenges.